Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM21. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM21 isn't mixing properly, it's likely a problem with the clutch. This component is essential for ensuring that the blades spin effectively. If left unchecked, it can lead to further damage and may even render your device unusable. So, it's crucial to address this issue promptly to avoid more extensive repairs down the line. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement clutch, a pair of pliers, and a soft cloth to protect your work surface. First, ensure your Thermomix TM21 is unplugged for safety. Place it on a flat surface, and using the screwdriver, carefully remove the base screws. Make sure to keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base off, taking care not to pull too hard as there may be wires connected. Now, locate the clutch component. It's usually situated near the motor. Inspect it to see if there's any visible wear or damage. To extract the old clutch, disconnect any cables gently, noting where they connect for reassembly. You might need to use the pliers to help release it if it's stuck. When replacing it, ensure the new clutch is inserted correctly and securely. Remember to reattach the cables in the same configuration as before. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components while doing this. Once everything is replaced, carefully align the base back onto the unit and replace the screws. Ensure they are tightened adequately, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can strip the screws. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Finally, plug in your Thermomix TM21 and test it to make sure the mixing function is back to normal. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure regular maintenance of your device, and avoid overloading it beyond its capacity. Always use the correct settings for mixing to prolong the life of the clutch. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.